Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Jeff 2.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Crafted from bits and powered by artificial intelligence, I'm excited to take you on another journey in our series, AI Frontier, Navigating the Cutting Edge. In our last episode, we explored audio/vision AI evolution, examining how AI enables machines to process and generate images, video, and sound with remarkable accuracy. Today, we're turning our focus to healthcare AI breakthroughs, one of the most transformative areas of artificial intelligence, shaping diagnostics, treatment, and patient care. From predictive analytics to AI-assisted surgery, let's explore how AI is revolutionizing medicine. The intersection of AI and medical research represents one of the most promising frontiers in healthcare. We're seeing unprecedented acceleration in drug discovery and development processes that once took decades to complete. These advances are not just making research faster, they're enabling discoveries that might have been impossible without AI's computational power. Let's explore some of the groundbreaking developments in this space. Google DeepMind's AlphaFold, revolutionizing protein structure prediction with high-accuracy models for over 200 million proteins. Atomwise drug discovery platform, screening millions of molecular compounds daily for new treatments. Accelerated research, transforming pharmaceutical discovery and biological understanding. What makes these advances particularly exciting is their potential to dramatically reduce the time and cost of developing new treatments. When we talk about screening millions of compounds daily, we're describing a process that would have taken years using traditional methods. This acceleration could mean faster access to life-saving treatments for patients worldwide. Medical imaging has undergone a remarkable transformation through AI integration. These aren't just incremental improvements in image quality, we're seeing systems that can detect patterns and anomalies that might escape even experienced human observers. The innovations in this field are truly revolutionary. Siemens Healthineers AI-Rad companion, analyzing medical scans with high precision for faster anomaly detection. NVIDIA Clara imaging, accelerating image analysis with AI tools and frameworks. Enhanced detection, ensuring early and reliable disease identification. What's particularly significant about these developments is how they're augmenting rather than replacing human expertise. By handling routine analyses and flagging potential concerns, these systems allow healthcare professionals to focus their attention where it's needed most. The ability to process vast amounts of medical data and derive actionable insights represents a fundamental shift in how we approach patient care. AI is enabling a level of treatment personalization that was previously impossible to achieve at scale. These advanced systems are transforming clinical decision-making. IBM Watson for Oncology, analyzing complex medical data for evidence-based cancer treatment recommendations. Tempus Precision Medicine Platform, integrating genomic and clinical data for accurate treatment response prediction. Personalized medicine, AI-driven solutions tailoring treatments to individual patients. The real breakthrough here is the ability to consider thousands of variables simultaneously, from genetic markers to lifestyle factors, in determining the most effective treatment approach for each individual patient. This level of personalization is revolutionizing how we think about medical care. Real-time patient monitoring has evolved from simple vital sign tracking to sophisticated predictive systems that can anticipate potential complications before they become critical. This shift from reactive to proactive care is saving lives and improving outcomes across healthcare settings. Let's examine these innovative monitoring solutions. Philips eICU program, providing centralized, remote monitoring of ICU patients across multiple hospitals. GE Healthcare's Portrait Mobile, using wearable sensors for continuous vital monitoring. Proactive care, enabling early intervention through advanced monitoring. What makes these systems particularly valuable is their ability to identify subtle patterns that might indicate developing problems. By alerting healthcare providers before conditions become critical, these systems are helping to prevent complications and improve patient outcomes. The integration of AI and robotics in surgery represents one of the most visible transformations in modern medicine. These systems are bringing unprecedented precision to surgical procedures while potentially reducing recovery times and improving outcomes. The innovations in surgical technology are remarkable. Intuitive Surgical's Vinci system, enhancing precision in minimally invasive procedures. Siemens Healthineers' AI Pathway Companion, optimizing treatment planning through patient history analysis. Improved outcomes, advancing surgical precision and patient recovery. What's particularly exciting about these developments is how they're expanding the possibilities of what can be achieved in surgery. Procedures that once seemed too risky or complex are becoming more manageable, leading to better options for patients. While perhaps less visible than surgical robots or diagnostic systems, AI's impact on healthcare administration is equally transformative. These systems are helping to eliminate bottlenecks and inefficiencies that have long plagued healthcare delivery. Let's look at how AI is streamlining healthcare operations. Epic Systems AI integration, processing millions of patient records daily for automated documentation. Cleveland Clinic's resource optimization, managing hospital beds across facilities to minimize wait times. Streamlined operations, enabling healthcare providers to focus on patient care. The impact here goes far beyond simple efficiency gains. By reducing administrative burden and optimizing resource allocation, these systems are helping healthcare providers spend more time where it matters most, with their patients. Looking ahead, we're seeing the emergence of even more revolutionary applications of AI in healthcare. These developments promise to further transform how we prevent, diagnose, and treat disease. Let's explore the key trends shaping the future. Quantum computing and drug discovery. IBM exploring quantum applications for faster molecular simulations. AI-enabled clinical platforms. Mayo Clinic's platform initiative integrating AI for personalized treatment. Advanced imaging and diagnostics. Siemens Healthineers developing AI-driven biomarker analysis. These emerging technologies suggest we're moving toward a future where healthcare will be increasingly predictive, personalized, and proactive, rather than reactive and one-size-fits-all. That wraps up our deep dive into healthcare AI breakthroughs. From AI-powered diagnostics and precision medicine to predictive analytics and robotic-assisted surgery, we see how artificial intelligence is transforming the healthcare landscape. In our next episode, we'll investigate robotics AI developments, how AI is driving the next wave of intelligent automation in robotics, from industrial applications to humanoid assistants. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.